guys, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, I will be taking you through the listening module of the IELTS exam. So let's have a look what you have in store for the listening module of the IELTS. So listening, as I guess most of you know, is the ability to understand and process what you listen to and respond to it accurately. The IELTS listening module does exactly the same, just that you will have to listen to a variety of accents in the IELTS listening module. You will have 30 plus 10 minutes of the exam time, where 30 minutes will be used for listening to the pre-recorded audio and answering the questions, and the last 10 minutes will be used to transfer your answers from the question booklet to the answer booklet. Be very careful when you do this because the answer booklet is what will fetch you your scores. You will have 4 sections about which I will talk to you in detail as we move ahead, and you will have 40 questions to answer overall. Now let's have a look about the questions. You will have 10 questions in each section, which will sum up to 40 questions on a whole. Section 1 and section 2 will be based on social topics, whereas section 3 and section 4 will be based on some academic topics. Section 1 and section 2 is easier as compared to section 3 and 4. Having said that, let's have a look what you can get in each of your sections. Section 1 is basically a conversation between two speakers in a socially set environment. It could be, for example, a conversation about an inquiry of an appointment or a conversation about a travel reservation. Section 2 is generally done by a single speaker about a social topic. The topic could be about an incident, an event, or a place. Section 3, on the other hand, is a conversation between 3 to 4 people set in an educational environment or about an educational topic. It will not exceed more than 4 speakers. Section 4 is the most toughest section as so far, will be based on an academic topic but spoken by a single person. For example, it could be a lecture by a lecturer on a historical topic or a biological topic. Now let's have a look at the types of questions you will have to face in the IELTS exam. So there will be different type of questions that we will have to face in the IELTS exam. The most common being the multiple choice type of question. I'm sure all of you agree that we have come across this kind of a question at some point of time in our life. In the IELTS, you might be asked to choose up to 3 correct answers in a multiple choice question. Then you have fill in the blanks. Here you will have to complete a phrase or a sentence with not more than 3 words or a number. The answer could be just 3 words or a combination of words and numbers or just a number. Then you have a short answer type question. As the name suggests, the answer is like a short sentence but not more than 5 words. Do remember to read the instructions given on your question paper correctly. If you exceed the number of words that has been mentioned, even though the meaning of your answer is correct, you will still be marked wrong and you will lose points. So that's not what you're looking for. Then you have the label the diagram. It's nothing but you might be given a graph, a drawing, or a floor plan which you will have to label based on the recordings that you hear. Then you have fill out the table. Here you will be given a table and you will have some blanks in between. You will have to fill out those blanks based on the recordings and the titles on the column of the particular blank. There will be certain boxes which will be grayed out. These have to be left alone. Do not fill in anything in those grayed out boxes. Now that we have seen the different type of questions that you will get in the IELTS listening exam, let's have a look how your examination environment is going to be like. So, as you enter the examination center for giving the listening module, you will get 2 booklets. 1, the question booklet, and 2, the answer booklet. On the question booklet, you will have all the questions and the instructions for every set of questions that you will have to answer. The answer booklet will be used at the last 10 minutes of your exam, where you will have to fill in all the answers from your question booklet onto your answer booklet. Be very careful when you do this because if there are any spelling and grammatical errors, you will lose marks for it, and that's not what you're looking for. Then all the candidates will get to listen to the pre-recorded audio at the same time. There will be a set of instruction before the start of every section. And do remember, the audio will be played only once. So this is about it, about the examination environment and every detail about the listening module. Do stay tuned as I will be taking you through the strategies how to tackle the listening module in my upcoming video. Thank you.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.